Hey everyone. Uh, if you want to automate your Discord server using bots in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Discord bots for automation. First, understand that Discord bots can automate many tasks like moderation, welcome messages, role assignment, and announcements. They help reduce manual work and manage your server efficiently. Next, choose a reliable bot like Dino or MEE6. I mean, different bots offer different automation features depending on your needs. Now invite the bot to your server and give it the required permissions. Without proper permissions, the bot will not function correctly. Enable auto moderation features. I mean, this allows the bot to automatically block spam, links, and harmful messages. Set up welcome messages and auto roles. This helps new members get greetings and assigned roles automatically. You can also schedule announcements and posts. I mean, bots can automatically send messages at specific times. Finally, monitor bot activity through logs. This helps you keep track of all automated actions in your server. So, yeah, that's how you use Discord bots for automation in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your server will run smoothly with less manual work. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy guides.